Time now for the health report. If you have a sore throat lasting for more than a week that is not improving, you may need to check it out because it could be something more serious like throat cancer. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Throat cancer, although uncommon, the warning signs are oftentimes ignored, and so at the time of diagnosis, there is little that can be done for the patient. It is why ear, nose, and throat specialist Dr. Merton Smith stresses the need for early detection.
If, as an adult, your sore throat is associated with drooling and inability to swallow, if it's associated with difficulty breathing, certainly if the sore throat lasts for more than a week and is not improving, because most viral conditions will improve in a week. If the temperature is extremely high, that's greater than 101, then you certainly should see a doctor early.
In children, the symptoms are similar, but because their throats are smaller, they require more attention. According to Dr. Smith, there are certain factors that can increase the risk of throat cancer.
So the persons traditionally at high risk are older patients, typically males, who drink a lot of alcohol. They're more than just social drinkers on a weekend. They drink spirits mainly, not just beer. It's persons who smoke more than a pack per day. They're heavy smokers. That's a typical demographic right now. But as I said, over the past 10 years, we've been seeing an emergence of a younger group of patients who have no general smoking history and are not abusers of alcohol. And a lot of those now are linked to the human papillomavirus.
Treatment will depend on the size of the cancer, whether it has spread, and the patient's overall health. Additionally, if cancer is detected early, surgery or a combination of surgery and radiotherapy can help.
If you get it at an advanced stage, sometimes we may just go to chemotherapy and radiation because surgery may not be as helpful at that stage. Surgery in the throat can be associated with significant impairment of swallowing and breathing. And that is why sometimes, if you wait too long, then you may end up only having the option of chemotherapy and radiation.
With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.